Are you 3 months old? Are you 3 months old? Huh? Hello? Rio, hi. What you doing? Hello? You big guy? Are you 3 months old and wearing 6-month outfits? Yes. Yes. Yeah. You like being a big boy? You like being a big boy? Yeah. What you doing? What you doing? You trying to get up? You trying to get up? Where are you going? Where are you going? Yeah? Say bye-bye.